So what does accident history really mean when you're looking at a VIN history report? Most people think if a car looks fine now, it's probably okay. But that's not always true. Some accidents can cause hidden damage that you may never notice during a quick inspection. Problems like frame damage, suspension issues, or poor repair work can stay hidden for years. And those hidden problems can lead to expensive repairs later. A VIN history report can help reveal whether the vehicle had a minor accident or something much more serious. That information can help you decide if the vehicle is worth buying or worth avoiding. Because not every accident is a deal breaker, but some accidents absolutely should be. That's why checking accident history before you buy can save you thousands of dollars and major headaches later on. Make sure your VIN history report includes an accident section. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.